So now for 12, we're going to do 145,000 millimeters. What? That's a lot. And we want to calculate that to kilometers. We don't know how many kilometers it is. Well, here's what I know. There are 1,000 millimeters in a meter. And there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Okay? So I'm going to start with 145,000 millimeters. And I'm going to convert that. If I want to cancel millimeters, what has to go on the bottom of my conversion factor? Millimeters. Now, if I wrote all these units down, there's only one that has millimeters. So I'm going to say 1,000 millimeters is equal to what? 1 meter. Does that make sense? Oh man, you guys are cooking with gas now. So now if I have meters in the top on this one, what do I want on the bottom over here? Meters. Now I've already used this kind of, right? I've already kind of used that.
Put kilometers on top.
Put kilometers on top. Very good.
1,000.
Well, what's the ratio? 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Somebody just had an aha moment. That's good. So the meters cancel with meters. So on the top, I've got 145,000 times 1 times 1 times kilometers, or just 145 100,000. Oops. Boy, that's all nasty looking. Let's just undo that.
So you just do 145,000 times 1 times 1 again?
Yep. We're just multiplying across the top. So I'm going to say, basically, watch real close on the screen. I'm going to go from this 145,000 times 1 times 1 times kilometers, right? Well, the kilometers didn't get canceled, so that's left on top. So if you notice, all the stuff on the bottom gets canceled. It gets canceled because I'm purposefully choosing what I put on the bottom to cancel what's on top. So I'm canceling everything along the top here until I get to the last one, and I'm canceling everything along the bottom, and it's all gone. So now on the bottom, I have 1,000 times 1,000. So that's that. Well, there's a couple ways we could do this. How would you do that? If I say 1,000 times 1,000. Well, one shortcut that you could do is you could say, if I have this 0, I can cancel with this 0. If I have this 0, I can cancel with this 0. I have this 0, I can cancel it with this 0. In other words, 145,000 divided by 1,000 is 145, right? Yeah?
But you could have also just calculated.
Yeah. So then I got 145. This is what I do. I don't know what you guys do. I do math. I'm trying to. Don't worry, you'll get on my level eventually. 145 divided by 1,000. Now, if you divide by 1,000, there's two ways you could do this. You could think of this as 145 kilometers. Don't write the kilometers yet. Times 10 to the negative third, right? Because this is really the same as 10 to the positive 3. And when we toss that up to the top, it becomes a negative 3. You guys remember that? Yes, Mr. Adams. But now that's not really true scientific notation. True scientific notation would mean that we would move the decimal 2 places from here. Boop, boop. So when I move the decimal 2 places, I'm going to have 1.45 times 10 to the what? Well, it's either going to be -1 or -5.
1.
Very good. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's right. I didn't make it. This is complex. I didn't make this complex. It is. Don't try to blame me for this stuff. I'm just trying to teach it. Okay. Any questions on that one?